Changing your payout method on MoMo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Open the MoMo app. Launch the MoMo application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to enter the Settings section where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Review the available payout methods. Select the one you wish to change to, whether it is a bank transfer, mobile money, or another option. Follow any prompts to enter necessary details. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, confirm the changes. You may need to verify your identity or enter a code sent to your registered phone number to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date.